Hello everyone, my name is Ethan Furphy, and for this presentation I will be taking you through the supply chain of soccer cleats, specifically those made by Nike. So the agenda for this presentation will start with some background information regarding Nike and the soccer cleat manufacturing industry. Then I will walk you through the manufacturing process of Nike, followed by the problem at hand with their supply chain. After that, I'll discuss some innovations that have been made by the company, as well as some recommendations that I have concerning the optimization of Nike's supply chain and the benefits of implementation. So for some background information regarding Nike, it is an international sports apparel and equipment manufacturer that was founded in 1964, is headquartered in Beaverton, Oregon, and Nike is the largest sports manufacturing company in the world in terms of market share, with control over 40% of the global market. The brand is very popular amongst athletes, including myself, as all of the soccer cleats that I buy are Nike, and that's as well as millions of athletes around the world that sport the iconic Nike swoosh logo on all of their sporting gear. So regarding the supply chain process, I've provided a process map to illustrate the individual steps taken from raw materials in a factory to a beautiful pair of Nike Tiempo Legend 9s. The first step is to obtain the necessary material, which Nike does via contract suppliers, as well as their own 140 material facilities located in 14 countries around the world. These materials are then transferred to one of 502 Nike factories at which the finished goods are produced. And then once the cleats are manufactured, they are kept in a holding center until a customer orders them, after which they are moved to a Nike distribution center. And then after this, the cleats are shipped via long-haul truck or cargo plane, eventually reaching their final destination at a physical retail store or online distributor where they're available for consumers. So, what's the problem? The problem is that while Nike has enjoyed much success in the cleat manufacturing industry, the company also has its fair share of controversies. First, the company has received harsh backlash regarding the use of non-sustainable materials and unethical materials in their manufacturing process, specifically kangaroo leather. Additionally, the company has been accused of unethical working environments, particularly their factories in East Asia, where there have been allegations of child labor and worker abuse. And another negative aspect includes price inflation, which is largely due to ludicrous endorsement deals with professional athletes like Cristiano Ronaldo, who recently signed a lifetime deal with the company that's estimated to be worth over $1 billion. So Nike has spoken out against their criticisms, and the company has also altered its manufacturing process as a response. In 2021, Nike ended its partnership with the last supplier of kangaroo leather, and as of 2023, the material is no longer used in the manufacturing of any Nike cleat. This has led to a shift to alternate materials like the Nike Fly leather, which is a synthetic leather produced by Nike for its use in the new Tiempo Legend 10 cleats that are pictured in this slide. A recommendation that I have proposed for Nike is to integrate linear programming into their supply chain process, as this artificial intelligence technology can be used to optimize various aspects of the overall process. Linear programming can be used to mitigate price inflation by providing the company with important information regarding network flow of the industry, and it can help them gain a better understanding of consumer behavior and preferences. Some benefits that can be experienced by Nike as a result of the previously mentioned innovations are that Nike can use this information to optimize production costs and allocate resources based on the season, particularly spring and fall, as this is when the majority of soccer seasons are played. Additionally, the company can optimize the pricing of cleats, taking into account production costs, competitor prices, and market demand, which can increase accessibility for consumers. Not only this, but ESG performance will be improved as well as the company implements a more ethical manufacturing process, resulting in better consumer perception and likely greater or just increased interactions as well. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch my presentation, and I look forward to your comments and feedback in the discussion board.